Hello, in this video we would like to show how you can get the channel ID at the Telegram. So first of all, you want to open up the web version of the application. In here, open up the channel that you are interested in. Copy the URL. Next, just, paste it somewhere. I'll do it in my saved messages. And in here, once pasted, just make sure to remove everything that is located before the minus sign. And after you do that, you gotta also add the prefix 100 to it. And that will be the channel ID that you were interested in. Alrighty, so that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye-bye.